Does your business require vans, large or small trucks, flatbeds, utility trucks, dump trucks, contractor trucks, or any other type of commercial vehicle? We got your back. Need something custom? Our specialized commercial fleet sales team will work around the clock to ensure your upfit is everything you have ever dreamed. Come to Mission Valley Ford Truck Center in San Jose for purchase, rental, service, parts, financing, and more. Visit our website at www.missionvalleyford.com to view our inventory of new and used vehicles. We are excited to do business with you.